Hi Jennifer, here is the another section about our platform. So we have some issues yesterday at the Skype call. So I just recorded my screen. Please watch closely and let me know if you have any questions. Definitely I can help you. So I just had you the login credentials yesterday through the Gmail, so you can log in. So once you log in, you can see the My Store section. Just click My Stores and I there are a lot of stores we have already configured into our platform. See, basically this platform I have configured, it's on a scratch from the German platform. uh, Let me explain some basic things, and if you have further technical questions, please write on email, so I will give you some assistance. So here basically, for example, if you are going to talk the store owner, so here how we set up the store and how we normally add the products. I can show you everything here. So for example, there are currently listed the stores. So we have a lot of stores. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 8, 22, 26, 20. Okay. 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 For example, um, I'm going to okay, this product. Just click on the store. It's automatically going to. Okay, right now we haven't. Let me try another product. Come on, this one, Scintilla Divine. Okay, oh, we don't have category. See, we have added some products, but it's not loaded. Hold on a second. 7bella.com. Okay, okay, this is the Philippine. Okay, I can show you this restaurant. Sorry, this EHIL. EHIL. Okay. Yeah, actually, some of the stores we haven't uploaded the product, so that's the issue. So you can see the edit. Normally, this is the banner section we are working. So you can ask the store owner to get the banner, but normally I have collected from their website. So it's easy. For example, I can show you how I work in Flip. So this is the store. So you can see the store when I go to the website. So I just collected from their banner. So this is the logo of the store. Okay, here is the product. So normally it's very simple. We can add the product category. For example, if you are going to add women's, sorry, apparel, something. Uh, okay, women's dresses. Just that's it. It's added the category. So just click on the next. So normally it's very simple. So I can show you how to add the product. We have an option, the spreadsheet editor mode. So here is the option. So you just go to there and just enter. uh, you just ask the customer store owner to get the product name, the description, price, and the option. For example, for example, I'm going to click on the women. Okay, so this is the product, right? So we normally we need product title, uh, product images, product price, and is there any sizes information. Some of the product have a size. For example, you can see 0 to 18. So we need that information. So I can show you right now how to upload the product using spreadsheet mode. Mm, See, normally just copy. Copy and paste the product name and the price and the description. You can see the description. Okay, perfect. So this is the normal way to collect the product from the store. For example, I can collect another product. So just copy. Okay. So description. You can click on the description. We sometimes have some spaces from the browser. Okay, so just copy these three of them. Sorry, the two products. You just go to the here and just paste. And we do, okay. I'm sorry. We don't need to put a dollar symbol. I told you some of them. Okay, just 150. I'm sorry, just 150. Okay, and you just click on you just leave it from spreadsheet editor mode. You can see the product has been uploaded. So now you can select this one and upload the product images. I can show you how it's working. Save images. So okay, I can, no, this is not to be, see, save image. Okay, you can see, okay, I'm using snipping tool for the screenshot. Some of the website restricted to collect the images, so I just using this screenshot method. Just save to the so I'm going to demo image. Okay, so just click on this one on desktop. Okay, you can see the image has been uploaded right now. So this is right now, we have updated the product. I can show you how it's working in the front end. Normally, okay, 7 Bella. See here. Okay. Actually, we have added the product into the dress section, right? See, actually here the product has been added, but actually we are still in a back panel. So just find the front end, find businesses. Okay. Go to the dress section. Okay, we need to set the category before at the product. So normally it's there is an option. So you're just asking, see, basically you need to ask the restaurant store owner to get the product name, the description of product, and the price. So this is the most important from the each of the stores. And other than that, we need uh, sizes of the product, like I show you here. Okay, just click on edit. You can see. So this is the option. Normally, we have add each and every product. For example, the size we have added XL, SL. I can show you how it's working in the front end. But actually, there is a most important thing for the, normally the store has different product, different variations, colors, sizes. So we just need them. So this platform, we added manually. For example, I have set up the add-ons, so don't worry about it. So you just collect the product information from the store. So I can take care everything. For example, okay, I can show you here. Okay. You can see I have added one of the product. So this is the product name, British Slim Coat. This is the description. This is the sizes. This is the color. So each color, sometimes some of the colors have prices. So this is the basic information we need for each of the stores. And other than that, so this is the basic things what we need from the stores. And we have a lot of options. See, the store timing, weekly 7 days we need the timing, because once customer can order the product, we need to order the store to get the product. So this is most important. So the store uh, business schedule and the menu, please leave it right now, I will explain later. Delivery zones, uh, actually we for example, the demo boutique, the store is specific zip code 91354. So we actually normally we are delivered the product, the specific zip codes. So you just get the store address, so I can configure this section. The notification, payment methods, everything we can take care. So that's my job, so I can configure. So this is the main important. And last thing, you can go to this section, more, sorry, admin area, the more, you can see the more section, you can see users. So this is the business owner. I'm going to create a account for you today, but you can use mine at this moment once we set up, and I will share you. For example, you got appointment from one restaurant. He agree with he interested to sell their product our platform. We are going to create a new user for the store owner here. So you need to let him, the store owner, we are going to provide everything. So we just create a new user for the store and send the credential. The store owner directly log into our platform to upload the product. I just show you. So it's one of the easiest method. So we don't need to maintain each of the stores. For example we have 20 stores. So we are going to create uh, 20 users. For each user have separate restaurant. He can access all the admin panel like I show you here. So the customer can easily access our database. Sorry, here. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Customer can upload the product and everything. So this is the easiest method. So product store owner have admin panel. Store owner have access to their payment tracking. Store owner have how many orders per month or per day. So he can get everything. So please review the platform along with the video. So let me know, because I don't know, honestly, how you understand. So let's discuss once you review them, and definitely I will help you, and I will answer all your questions. So you can come to another meeting Skype, so I can show you some other options. So basically this is what we need from the store owner. So just go through and let me know if you have any doubts. So I'm here always available for you. So talk to you. Thank you, Jennifer.